Hello student, myself Shailen Singh, teacher of Shivaji Global Tuition. I am going to I will teach you reflection of light. Today's heading is image formation by spherical mirror. Now, how to form image by spherical mirror? Now, I will explain. It has three tips. Now, remember a ray of light which is parallel to principal axis always pass through focus. When if a ray of light which is passes through from focus after reflecting, this is parallel to principal axis. Now I am explaining. We have two spherical mirror. First is concave mirror and second is convex mirror. First, I am telling you. First, concave mirror. This is concave mirror because it has inner reflecting surface, because it is called concave mirror. Now, a light ray that we know that. Now, first is this is midpoint, this is called pole, and this is principal axis. Principal axis. Now, a light ray which is parallel to principal axis. If a light ray of light parallel to principal axis, the light ray coming from infinity point. The light ray intersects inner surface of concave mirror. After incident, it is reflect to principal axis and passes from focus. Now, this is center of the curvature and this passes point focus. Now, remember, a ray of light which is parallel to principal axis always pass through focus. Parallel ray after reflect always passes through focus. Now, if the light ray, first of a light ray passes from focus, then after reflecting, this will be parallel to principal axis. Now I will explain a diagram. A second topic is, now I will explain, but I am explaining. And second topic, if a light ray passes to focus and incident inner surface of concave mirror, after incident will be parallel to principal axis. Now, if a light ray come to parallel after incidence reflect to focus. If a light ray come to focus from focus to inner surface, then after incidence will be parallel to principal axis. Now, this method for concave mirror. And second spherical mirror is convex mirror. Now, this is a convex mirror. Now, what is convex mirror? That mirror which has outer reflecting surface. Now its inner surface polished surface, mercury with red oxide iron. Now outer surface is reflecting surface. This is a point and this is a principal axis. Now we know that which has a center of curvature behind the convex mirror. The center curvature behind the convex mirror, this is a center of curvature. What is focus point? Focus point, the midpoint of between pole and center of curvature. This midpoint is focus. Now, if a ray of light which is parallel to principal axis. Now, I am explaining. If a light ray incident on outer surface of convex mirror parallel to principal axis. Now, after incident reflect to away from principal axis. Now, but apparent line passes from focus. This is for convex mirror. Now, and second point is if a light ray come to focus, after incident will be reflect parallel to principal axis. Now I explain. Remember, a light ray of light which is parallel to principal axis always passes through focus. Now I am explain, if a light ray parallel to principal axis after incidence reflect away from principal axis is phenomena of convex mirror. But light ray come to focus after reflect by convex mirror will be parallel to principal axis. This tips for convex mirror. Now, and second point is, then note this. Hello student, and second tips, a ray of light which passes through center of curvature. We know that both convex and concave mirror has a center of curvature. Now I am explain this diagram for concave mirror. Now, outer surface is polished surface with mercury and red oxide iron, M1 and M2. This is concave mirror. It has a center of curvature and half point is then pole, then midpoint of between pole and center of curvature is called focus point. Now, this diagram for convex mirror. What is convex mirror? That mirror which has outer surface is reflecting surface. Now look at the board. This is convex mirror. Inner surface is polished surface with mercury and red oxide iron. This is convex mirror. This is convex mirror. This is a convex mirror. Now, midpoint of reflecting surface is called pole, or this is a principal axis. Convex mirrors has a center of curvature behind the mirror. This is center of curvature. We know that focus point is midpoint between pole and C. Now, when a light ray, when a light ray, when a light ray, ray of light, when a ray of light, sorry, when a ray of light which passes through center of curvature, a light ray passes through center of curvature. After passing of center of curvature, the light ray incident on reflecting surface of concave mirror. After incident, it is back same path and same way. Now retract. A ray of light which passes through center of curvature, then after incident, then retract their path after reflection. This process for convex mirror. I explain. Repeat this. A light ray passes from center of curvature. After passing, it is incident on reflecting surface of concave mirror. After reflecting, this ray back to same path. Back to opposite direction and same path. Retract their path after reflection. This path is called retract path. Now, a light ray incident and a light ray passes to center of curvature. Now, appearing a ray, then that ray retract to after reflection. Now, this is for image formation of spherical mirror. We know that we have two spherical mirror, concave mirror and convex mirror, and tips for concave and convex. Now, first is concave and second is convex mirror. Then a light ray passes through center of curvature. After passing, it is incident on reflecting surface. After incident, it is back to opposite direction but same path. Now its path is called retract path after reflection. It is called retract path after reflection. But convex mirror. A light ray passes through center of curvature. After passing, it is reflect to opposite direction and same path. This path is called retract path after reflection. Now, note this. Now, third tips is a ray of light. A ray of light falling on pole. What is pole point? The midpoint of reflecting surface, convex and concave. Now, I am explaining. This is a concave mirror because it has outer surface is polished surface and inner surface is reflected surface, because it is called concave mirror. Now, this is pole and this is principal axis. This is center of curvature and this is focus. But according to tips, a ray of light tips first, second and third. And repeat this tips first. A ray of light coming from parallel to principal axis. Incident on concave mirror. After incident, it is reflect and passes through a focus point. This is a first tips. If a light ray first of all passes through principal axis, then incident to reflect surface of concave mirror. After incident, reflect to parallel of principal axis. Parallel to principal axis. Now, second tips. A light ray, a ray of light and light ray. A light ray falling on a point or center point passes from a point, then after passing it is incident on reflecting surface of concave mirror. After incident, it is back opposite direction but same path. Its path is called retract path after reflection. This tips for image formation. Now, second topic is when a light ray falling on pole get reflect at the same angle and a light ray incident on pole, but its angle is called incident angle. After incident, its ray reflect in this side. Now its angle is called reflection angle, but in this condition reflection angle is equal to refraction angle. Then you always remember this. Understood? When a light ray falling on at point P, now after incident it is reflect to other side, but incident angle is equal to reflection angle. It is called third tips for image formation by spherical mirror. Now, when a light ray passes from center of curvature, then refract path after reflection. And when a light ray passes from focus, then after passing it is reflect to parallel of principal axis. Now third tip is when a light ray falling on a point P, after falling it is reflect to other side. Now in this case incident angle is equal to reflection angle. This tip is called third tip for image formation by spherical mirror, and same condition in convex mirror. Now this is a convex mirror. It has inner surface is polished surface, or this is a principal axis. Now this point is called pole. A light ray falling on a point P, after falling it is reflect to other side. In this case incident angle is equal to reflection angle. When the always reflection angle is equal to reflection angle when a light ray falling on at point P. Note this.